how to use a Salesforce integration with Lusha. So I have a Salesforce opened up right here and signed in. And now we have Lusha right here. And this is the dashboard. Come here, click on the left panel, and then go ahead and click on one of your lists. I have one called Outreach. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this. Now you want to select contacts to export to CRM. So I'll just go ahead and select all of them. Click on export to CRM and you will be able to select your platforms. So we have Salesforce right here. Go ahead and select that. And then you want to click on continue to CRM. This will go ahead and open up a new tab where we have to go ahead and allow to connect Lusha with these tools. So we have the integrations right here. So I have Salesforce, click on connect, and I will basically be authorizing the connection. So I have right now a pop-up from a Salesforce where I have to allow the connection. There we go. It has been connected. And now I can go ahead and export this, for example, as a lead or as a contact. Go ahead and click on that. You can, of course, go ahead and review and save it. And if I show you right here, if I go click on my account here and I click on integrations, and now you'll see that the account has been connected and you can easily export things, your contacts to your CRM software, which in this case is Salesforce.